Okay! Okay! Hold on, what if I dunk it? Yo, chat, why this game so fun, chat? Oh, please, chica, I will give you my ass. I swear to God, I'll give you my ass. I'll give it. Let's go. I declare war on Russia! I declare war!
Have my head shark looking at to your ass like
Shark boy looking at ass.
Lava girl looking at
Anthony Davis eyebrows having
Alright, but let me get my bowling ball. Let me get that. Let me get all black. Shit. Damn. Show my bowling shit. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all a little something real quick, man. Oh shit, I'm tweaking, bro. What?
What's up? You got $1 million?
Guess what?
What's up? Tell me.
Guess what?
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
I'm gay!
Ben?
Ben, do you support Black Lives Matter?
Yes.
Do you support LGBTQ? Man, what the? I like 15-year-old girls!
Yes. Oh my God, I got to work out. No more.
I'm on crack, bitch! I'm on crack, bitch!
Not crack.
I'm on crack, bitch! You motherfucker! Let's go! Before 2 blocks for 32! Sit! Hey! 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 Ah! Hey! Oh! Go make some. No, you're black! Pause up, bro. Hey, look, on some real shit, this like a friendly match, bro. Whoever win this bit, whoever win, bro, that's who it is, alright? Alright? Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Damn, bitch! Damn! Damn! Alright! Alright! Calm down, play! Playing, bro. I think it's...
There's something behind you.
Every time you talk, you wanna know the only thing I hear? Hi, my name's Speed.
You keep talking that shit, man.
Yup, keep talking that shit.
You know what's crazy?
Wait.
You know what's crazy though? You know what's crazy though? No. You know what, nigga? You short as fuck. You know what's crazy? You short. You a fucking midget, nigga. You 5'2", nigga.
Remember that episode? Remember that episode of SpongeBob?
You a
When they got
no. You know what's crazy? Shut up.
How many bus tickets